And so, what is up guys? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Okay. For today's video guys, i-review natin itong solar panel ko na setup guys na meron tayong 100 watts sa bubong. Ayan. Dalawang 50 watts guys na solar panel. In total, 100 watts. So, i-review natin guys ayan. Gumagana ba talaga ang solar panel or nagkakarga pa rin ba siya even makulimlim guys. So, ayan, labas tayo. And, ayan guys, oh. So, makikita nyo, makulimlim yan guys, kakatapos lang umulan. And, as of this moment, may bagyo po, signal number 1 dito sa Pangasinan area. Ayan. Ayan oh, guys, makulimlim. Time check tayo guys, nasa 7:35 na po ng umaga. Ayan.